Hello, my wonderful friends and my busy homemakers, and today I've got something special to show you. Today's topic is what to make for dessert after a snowstorm. I am Deb. You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal home organizing, decluttering consultant. And I often get asked, what do I love to do? Well, I like to bake, and I like to try new recipes. So, today I got something special to show you that I made. Now, there's something about shoveling and snowstorms where I always have to have something baked to eat. And I'll take it out, show it to you. These are, I got the recipe from Jiffy. It's Jiffy corn muffins. It's Jiffy banana chip muffins. I call them Jiffy banana chip muffins, basically. And believe it or not, it's got some oatmeal in here. It's got I believe it's a tablespoon of oatmeal. Yes. I love this. This is such a nice treat. And in fact, I've got my coffee here ready. I'm getting ready to have my break. This plow came through and I had to go move that snow away. Before it freezes. But anyway, now, it came out of the recipe book from Jiffy Mix. It's banana chip muffins. You got one box of banana muffin mix. You've got one smashed small banana. Now, I like more banana taste. I recommend if you want to add I would say add a large banana or add 2 small bananas. I was hoping to have it a little bit more banana taste. And you put a tablespoon of quick oats, 1 egg, 1/3 cup milk, and 1/3 cup mini chocolate chips. I used the regular chocolate chips. I did not have the mini. I didn't care. I want my delicious treat. You bake them for 12 to 14 minutes. And I baked them in my silicone muffin tray. There's basically, let's just say there's 3 left. It made 6 big hearty ones. If you want them small, it'll make 8. I got the recipe from here. It was like, I have everything. I had the bananas, I had the chips. I am going for it. I was looking for something different. And I'm glad I tried it. That is what I like to do, especially after shoveling. Everybody wants a nice little treat with either hot chocolate or coffee, something to warm them up, because that's a lot of work. You want to get your strength back after all that shoveling in the snow. So, on that note, my friends, I am going to go have my break time, my coffee, and my muffin. And I hope you enjoyed my little sweet treat today. Bye for now, ladies. See you in the kitchen with Deb.